Hey guys, welcome back to A Cool Drawing. My name is Zach, and today I'll be drawing a character holding up a golden play button. Let's get started right now. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm going to be showing you what I drew. I drew a cartoon character, and he's holding up a golden play button right there. And he has a beard, has some glasses, he has a hat, and he has some jeans, some flip-flops, and a red jacket, a green jersey, and a number 11. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you like, and comment down below what things you want me to draw. Bye!